an Azure App Service. So the first thing we need to do is look for the resource. So as you can see, you've got App Services. When we go into our App Services, we need to go ahead and create our App Service. Now, when we are creating an App Service, first thing we need to do is go ahead and create a resource group. So I'm going to create one, module 14 and hyphen. I'm just going to leave it at that. Then we need to have a unique app service name. So our application needs to have a unique name. So I'm just going to put AZ303 module 14. And as you can see, this is a unique name, so we can go ahead and deploy that. We can go ahead and deploy it under that name. Next, we need to determine if we want to go ahead and publish it as a Docker container or a code. We're going to select code. And once we select code, we can go ahead and specify our runtime stack in which we want to configure our web application. So we're going to select .NET Core 3.1, and we're going to just leave it on Windows. In regards to the region, we're going to just leave it as Central US because that's what's specific in this particular skill pipe. But generally speaking, you can select a region that's closer to your users. You've then got what's known as an app service plan. So this is where all your web applications will be hosted, and this is where the compute resource comes from. In a later demonstration, we are going to go ahead and create an app service plan. So we'll talk more in depth in regards to this, and we're just going to leave this as the default for now. Next, what we're going to do is just going to go ahead and review and create. And then we can just go ahead and create this. Okay, this should take a couple of minutes to complete, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video for now. Okay, now that has completed, we can go ahead and view the application. So let's go to it. And this is our overview of our app service. So the web app that we created was AZ303 M14, which stands for module 14 in this instance. And as you can see on the overview, you've got your URL. Let's go ahead and click on this URL and see if our application has been successfully deployed. And there you have it. The application has been successfully deployed, and it is now ready for you to go ahead and configure for your organization. And that is the end of our demo for this particular demonstration.